So here we are going to start another topic, that is water pollution. Water pollution is the pollution of bodies of water such as lakes, rivers, seas, oceans as well as groundwater. It occurs when pollutants reach these water bodies without treatment. Waste from homes, factories and other buildings get into the water bodies, and as a result water gets contaminated. So it is not only unfit for drinking but also for washing, bath, or agriculture. The quality of polluted water can be determined because the polluted water is neither colorless nor odorless. It could have very bad smell as well as different color. There are several sources through which water get polluted. That is sewage and domestic waste, industrial wastes and effluents, insecticides and pesticides, detergent and fertilizers, etc. Most of the developing country has the tendency to dump waste material into the water bodies. The organic waste got from domestic waste and food processing plants which enters the water as pollutants called sewage. Water pollution is responsible for causing waterborne diseases like cholera, typhoid, enteric diseases, etc. It also causes death of aquatic animals, disruption in natural food chain, destruction of ecosystem, etc. Next is biological oxygen demand, or we can say biochemical oxygen demand. So what is biological oxygen demand? It is the amount of dissolved oxygen needed by bacteria to decompose organic material present in a given sample of water at certain temperature over a specific period of time. See, there is a bacteria called E. coli act as an indicator of polluted water. The readings are taken over a period of at least 5 days at a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius when the number of bacteria like E. coli increases rapidly. Next is chemical oxygen demand. In this method, the organic pollutants are oxidized chemically, and the oxidizing agent which is used in this process is potassium dichromate. In order to measure the COD, first, the known quantity of oxidizing agent is added to a measured quantity of water to be tested. Then the mixture is boiled with acid. Therefore, the excess potassium dichromate is measured by adding a reducing agent. The amount of potassium dichromate used is calculated by finding the difference between the original quantity of potassium dichromate taken and what is left. More the oxidizing agent used, the higher the pollution level. The COD concentration is always higher than the BOD concentration because there are many organic substances which are difficult to oxidize biologically and can be oxidized chemically. The COD process is much faster than BOD. Here given the difference between BOD and COD.